Hello everybody, today we're going to unbox Asus Zenbook. It's a very good 2-in-1 laptop with a 2 GB video card. So it's a really good all-around laptop. And it was at a really good price at Best Buy. Fortunately, Best Buy delivered to me like this. They didn't pack it well, so typical Best Buy. This box looks like this. We have some specs over there, and serial number and stuff. Asus over here. More specs, serial part number and everything there. We can see the specs over here. It's a silver 15.6 Full HD. It's a 2-in-1. I'm gonna show you how it works. 2 GB of video RAM. It is Nvidia MX 450. Ryzen 7 5700. This is probably the best part of it. It's a really good CPU. 256 SSD, 8 GB of RAM, Wi-Fi 5, Bluetooth, USB-C, Windows 11 Home. It was $500 on sale, which is really good. 2-in-1 means it can do like this. You can fold it there. I'm gonna show you everything. It's like X360 in HP, 2-in-1 and Dell, and Flip and Acer. It shows here that it's a Ryzen 7 5700 is really good, and it is really good. It's the strongest part of it. 8 GB of RAM, it shows it medium, but 8 GB of RAM is fine. It's gonna be good enough for all the daily usage, even for some gaming, as you have some video card here. It's a very entry level, but it's still much better than anything integrated. And it's not gonna consume much energy either, so it's really good. You can play some old games, you can play some like newer games. It'll run fine, everything, and some demanding games definitely you'll have to play on low settings, but like some mainstream games like Minecraft and everything, you can comfortably play with a video card like that. You can see here Full HD. This means Full HD, 1080p. This is a model number. Over 4 pounds, so it's like 2 kilograms. This is UPC here. The laptop comes like this. I have some manual and warranty papers. And we have the charger here. $65 says silver, but it's more gray. Anyway, silver is a light gray kind of. You can see here. Nice hinges, but feels like plastics. Have some ventilation here. It's not light. I mean, it's 15-inch after all. We have USB-C, HDMI, USB-A. This is for charging, and here we have it shows that just microphone, but I'm pretty sure it's headphones and microphone combo. On the other side we have turn on button, very nice aluminum, micro SD card, and another USB-A. And overall material is very good. All feels like metal. The bottom is plastic, but feels like nice quality plastic. Very good. Full-size keyboard. Very nice material. Very nice on touch. Quality. IR camera. Obviously touch screen, as it's 2-in-1. 2-in-1 means we can use it like this. You can just turn on to watch something and just watch it like that. Or like this. Or you can use it like you can use it like that and just like touch it, whatever, like a tablet kind of thing. But it would be like really thick and heavy, opposed to a tablet. But it's a big screen too, so yeah, big tablets are heavy too. This bezel is kind of on a bigger side. This one is kind of average, I would say. It's definitely not thin. You can see here and here. It's if you compare to other premium laptops, it's probably on the thicker side, but it's still fine. It's not like too bad. Asus here. I forgot to mention it also has a backlit keyboard. Overall, it's a great computer. It's a 2-in-1 touchscreen, full HD, everything. Great CPU, 8GB of RAM is fine, 256 SSD. It's not much, but it's SSD, it's pretty fast. It has a video card. It's a very light video card, but it's not gonna be bad on your battery. So you can do some gaming, you can do some Photoshop, like video editing, like nothing crazy, but it's still good basic laptop for everything. You can flip it around and watch some videos. You can use it as like a small TV kind of thing. Overall, it's really good, and at the $500 price, it's really good when it was on discount. Full price, which is $870, not so good, definitely not so good. Anyway, if laptop is not on sale, it's not good. Yeah.